Hey guys, we are getting a very, very heavy rain and a little bit of lightning and thunder out here. October, I think it's 7th. Yeah, you just saw a little bit of lightning. It is coming down in buckets right now. I don't know if you can see the pool. People are starting to put their brakes on the freeway. Let's look out this way. See people with flashes on the freeway. Not sure if you can hear it behind me, but that was a lot of thunder. Watch it for just another minute. Wow, that was a great one. There we go. That was some major thunder. Oh, good. That was pretty close too. .7 seconds equals 1 mile distance from the lightning till you hear it. So if it's a second, it's probably about a quarter of a mile. 2 seconds, half a mile, roughly speaking. Wow. I'll aim it over this way. That was some very nice cloud to cloud. Okay, we'll call it good for the moment.